Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, this is Miss Ratih for General English. Today we are going to learn about a new lesson for this General English class. Alright, so for now, we are going to talk about dream jobs, the kind of work you would love to do in the future. Finding a dream job isn't just about making money, it's about doing something you enjoy and are good at. In this session, you'll think about your interests, skills, and what kind of career you want to build. We will also discuss how to start planning your future. Step by step, let's get excited about where your dreams can take you. Alright, everyone. Now, for the warming up, let's see together. Match the job with the words with the picture and explain their job desk. Okay, the first is bartender, and the second is customer service, and the third is lawyer, and the fourth is registered nurse, and the fifth is teacher, and the sixth is sales and marketing, and the seventh is entrepreneur. You may write down your answer in the chat box, please. So, could you guess the topic we are going to discuss today? All right, and answer it in this Mentimeter. So, in this interactive learning, please submit your answer in the Mentimeter. Could you guess the topic we are going to discuss today? And please participate in the Mentimeter here. Just scan the barcode and write down your answer. And then, yes, the answer is it's about your future plan. We are going to talk about dream job. So, what was your dream job when you were a young child? As a little children, probably all of us, we had at least a dream job, one or two dream jobs. And now, let's share together. And then, what career advice did your parents give when you were a kid? Sometimes some parents delivered what they want to be when we were growing up. They will ask us to be one kind of profession. So, should we find a perfect job for us or just take any job and continue looking while working? Okay, let's talk about it. And then, what do you choose? Do you choose well paid work, interesting work, reasonably well paid, or prestigious work, or something fun but badly paid? You have 10 minutes to think and please participate in the Mentimeter. Alright? So now let's take a look and see the videos.
English speaking course.
Jim, Anna, and Liz are in the last semester of university life. The stresses are skyrocketing for them. Today, they have a meetup at Liz's house for their group thesis.
Oh, my back. It hurts.
Poor you. By the way, are you about to finish your part soon, Jim?
I guess I can make it by this evening.
Bravo, Jim! I'm having a block in explaining the charts of career trends in the US in the next decade.
I see. That's one of the hardest parts of our thesis. For my part, I've almost done it. But speaking of careers, what do you want to do after graduation, guys? Why did you ask that all of a sudden?
Don't you get nervous thinking about the days ahead? You guys knew me. I wanted to work for big corporations like Walmart, IKEA, and sorts of firms like that. Did you mean working for retail companies? Yeah, isn't it awesome? Selling necessities for people? I choose those companies because every time walking into supermarkets, I always know that I can get what I want to purchase. It gives me a sense of happiness, so I assume everyone feels the same. Customers get what they need. Companies get profits. What an amazing process!
Awesome possum, Liz.
What about you guys? Tell me more about your dream jobs. I know we talked about this several times. Anna, you always want to start a business, but the question is, what kind of business, my friend? All right, one question at a time, Liz. You look like an eager beaver now. I'm getting things off my chest, but promise me, you two won't judge?
We promise.
My business will be a tech startup company. Let's look at us right now. We are typing down our thoughts. It takes a lot of time. My idea is to create a machine or software so we don't have to use keyboards anymore. All you need to do is focus on your thinking and the machine will take care of the rest. Jim, your back will thank me for this invention.
That sounds...
Clever, Anna. I think you are very creative and you love technology. If people don't call it a perfect combo, I don't know what is.
Wait, not so fast, ladies. I promised that I would not judge. But first, what I'm saying next is not judgment, just some arguments.
I get it, Jim. Spill the beans. I can handle it.
My take is that...
Guys, it's dinner time. It's my mom. Let's tuck in, guys.
We hope you enjoyed the main dish.
We did, Mr. and
We
Mrs.
did, Mr.
Hellman.
and Mrs. Hellman.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wait until you eat Mrs. Hellman's dessert. It will certainly blow you up.
Right, guys. My mom's desserts are the best.
On an unrelated note, how's your studying? Are things good?
Yes, we are working on the group assignment in the last subject.
So you guys will be graduates, class of 2021. You are on point. What is your dream job? I'd love to hear.
Oh, funny you should ask, Dad. We were in the middle of that talk now.
You were? Fill me in, kiddos.
I want to have my own business. It'll be a technology startup.
Sounds fascinating, Anna. What is the name of the superstar tech firms again?
Did you mean Apple?
Yes. I read somewhere that the company was just a small startup at first.
I think the world of Steve Jobs and Apple is such a great empire.
Ditto, Anna.
Anyway, it is just a figment of my imagination, no biggie.
Don't minimize yourself, kids. As they say, no dream is ever too small or too big. How about you, Jim? My dream job is to work for big consulting companies, such as Deloitte or McKinsey.
It's nice.
It's nice. Very specific, Jim. The clear...
Alright, everybody, I believe you have watched the video, and based on the video, answer these questions. Number 1, what does Liz want to do after graduation? Alright. Number 2, why does he want to work in retail company? And number 3, what kind of business does Anna want to do? And number 4, what qualification does Anna have? 1. Why do people change their dream job when they grow older? 2. Who works best in number? 3. What do we need to know before we are applying to the company? And 4. Why does David think that money is not everything? Alright, you can write down your answer in the Mentimeters that I have given to you. Please participate in these questions. Try to answer your best. Okay, so you can rewatch the video again and identify the expression used to ask about the dream job. Just like the language booster asking about dream job. You may ask, what do you want to do after graduation? Or two, what is your dream job? It's more spontaneous. And then three, what do you want to be in the future? It's very polite question. And then you can respond to interesting or wow, that's so great. So, those kind of expressions that we can use when we talk about dream job. All right? Okay, now you can also do the role play with your friends, and you may ask this question. And these questions are example for you. Number one, why are you interested in working as a teacher? Because you belong to English education study program. And number two, what kind of business do you want to do? And number three, why do you choose to be an artist? And number four, where do you want to work? And number five, why do you think you fit that job? All right, so you can use this expression to be to do the conversation with your friends. All right. Okay, there is an assignment for you. You can interview your friend about her or his dream job and find information about why she or he choose that job and the qualification that she or he has and many more. So please practice time. It's time for you to practice with your friends. And then after that, you can do this quizzes activity. Please participate in this quizzes activity about dream job. There are some questions I have prepared for you, so please do this. Thank you very much, everybody. See you again next week. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Miss Ratih Inayah, and now I'm in the language library with the students. They are class 8 2023. They are doing the activity of language assessment, and we are going to show you our interactive learning by using application named Quizziz. So in this activity, I'm going to show my students that interactive learning is a very meaningful way to learn because they can open their mind to technology. Now they are doing this together. Okay, everybody, are you ready? Ready! Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! And the code is 897758. Alright, let's take a look and see together. They are doing the activities. They are answering the questions. Especially reading comprehension first, right? Okay. There are 12 questions. Previously, they have read the text and then try to answer the questions. Alright, reading comprehension is very important for them as a teacher because they are going to be aspiring teachers after graduating from campus. Okay, so don't forget to do your best and read the question carefully and answer it carefully. Alright? Okay. Okay, what about the gentlemen? Okay, is everything alright? Yes, they are doing the activity here. Okay, 12 questions for all of you in this interactive learning. They are doing the reading comprehension assessment, reading comprehension test, right? After understanding the reading theories before, they have presented about some theories on language assessment, especially reading, writing, speaking, and listening, all right? So students may use handphone in the classroom when the class is for interactive teaching and learning. So the phone is very useful in doing the interactive learning because by using phone or gadget, they can join to the application. So it's a way to make the teaching and learning more meaningful, and they will be able to open their mind to technology. So handphone or gadget is not only for entertainment, but we can use it for educational purposes as well. Alright, thank you very much for your participation everybody, and thank you for your attention. I'm Miss Ratih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So by using quizzes, we are able to know how many students participate in this activity. For example, here I can see there are 39 participants, and the first champion is Muhtar Aziz. Muhtar Aziz, hello. Okay, you are the first champion here. And then, yes, Muhtar, where are you? There, all right. Muhtar is the first champion. And then Ambar, where's Ambar? Ambar is the second champion, all right. And then the third champion. Wait a moment, I'm going to see in the result. Okay. Kania, where's Kania? Kania, all right, the third champion, right? So there are 3 champions, the top 3 for this activity. All right. So I can see some students 0. Why? Why 0? You haven't done it yet? Alfie, where's Alfie? Have you done it? And then Deavani, and then Siva. Maybe you haven't finished it, right? All right. Okay. Thank you very much, everybody.